Assalamu alaikum, myself Waheed Pasha, and you are watching my YouTube channel. Currently we are heading to Nergola Waterfall, which is situated in Rawalkot. The thing is, the track of Nergola Waterfall has 300 steps. We have to take these steps from about before Rawalkot, approximately 5 to 6 kilometers before. So we have to take 300 steps downward from the roadside, and we will show you the track and we'll let you know about the Nergola Waterfall. We will show you about it. So this is the track which leads us to the Nergola Waterfall before Rawalkot, and we are just about to reach there. Where Rawalkot situated, it is actually located in the Azad Kashmir. So you can come here easily, there are no threats, and we will show you the beautiful Pakistan, the beauty of Pakistan, and you have to place this place as well. So at last, see, we reached at Nergola Waterfall. They are saying that the depth of this water is about 50 feet. Heavy. So this is Nergola Waterfall. Look at that. How satisfying is this place, the nature, the beauty, the grace of Allah, mashallah, subhanallah. So this is a clear view of Nergola Waterfall, and from this waterfall it is coming from that way, and we can imagine that we can imagine its depth. It's about 50 feet. We can just swim there and take a shower like in home. Just listen the nature. Isn't it beautiful? So we just visited Nergola Waterfall. The place is very much satisfying. Must visit it. Okay, don't remember to subscribe my channel. We'll be there soon with another video. Like it. Thank you.